that was my first run, and halfway through the run, check this out, I got hit by a drone. Oh my god. And I think I got it on camera, so I'm excited to see that footage, but holy crap, I almost got taken out by a drone. Here's where the drone kind of smacked it right here. Scraped right here, right here. Boom. Wrecked my mirror, but oh well. That's awesome. We are at Stockton 99 Outlaw Series Drift, and the best thing about today is I have AC. Swap my back tires though, they're done.
Oh damn, yeah, they are done.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go in the pit real quick.
Okay.
So I got, even after you guys were F82 M4 spacers. And the hub wouldn't line out, so we banged it out with a hammer. Now I'm cleaning out these teeth so it can sit with what is not a file, but is a punch. Luis!
Damn, Luis, what happened?
I just fucking yanked it right there at the K-wall.
Damn, bro. What do you got to say about that?
That was not on purpose. It's not.
Hey, I'm gonna swap tires and then I'll hop in line after like lunch or something.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, because it's hella fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna swap tires, eat something, and then we'll tandem.
Alright, it's good.
So update so far, it's about noon now. Got 2 laps in, we got kind of a late start. The car felt way different than the 240, not nearly as nimble or stable. I'm just kind of loose and floppy, but I think it's also because I'm kind of rusty. It's been a long time. You know, still length the course, no spin outs. Or halfway through the course, I just see this big smack and I thought it was my GoPro flying ahead of us, like, but I was like, I didn't hit anything. There's no way it would project the GoPro to fly out in front of us like that. But then after the run, I noticed it was the drone. And it is so nice to have AC, like, it feels so good. I'm just sitting in line. So I don't know if I could ever go back to no AC, that is too brutal. The second run felt way better. I think I was just rusty on the first run. Second run, I linked the whole thing way smoother. Everything was way more solid and stable. So maybe it was partly driver mod. It's been like 2 years since I drifted, so yeah, feels good to be back. We're gonna do a food run and then swap tires and get some more laps in. Time to change the tire. So definitely running a little too much camber. Look who decided to show up.
Hey man, fashionably late.
With the Ferrari paint job. Woo! So Luis wants to tandem, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna chase and then maybe switch back and forth to I'll lead and then he'll lead and he'll chase, I'll chase. Because I don't know who's quicker. He's got the 1UZ or 1JZ, I think, so, and his car's lighter, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Flappy noise. And I guess it's this big old piece of rubber right here. So I'm gonna try to cut it. Here it is.
My dampers in the rear. I have them all the way stiff and I can't.
Oh, really?
Spinning up. But then I was also watching you, like, and like I have to make sure I watch the track.
Yeah.
And I got cocky because like the first one was like.
All right, Noor.
All right.
It's your first drift event today.
That's right.
You got a couple laps down. Let's see how you're doing today. Woo! This is my young Padawan. I taught him how to do donuts in his automatic FRS like 5 years ago.
In Sonoma.
Yeah, and now he's actually drifting his M3, so let's see how it goes.
Something like that.
Clutch kick. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, stay on the gas, stay on the gas. Stay on the gas, stay on the gas. Click. Let off, let off, let off. You gotta let off before you get on the gas.
Gotcha.
That was good. That was good.
Thanks. I'm that guy in the shadows, bro. Everyone's like, who took that though?
Hey, smile, smile. Where you at? Where you at?
You'll be in the reflection.